हेलो स्टूडेंट आम लास्ट क्लास रे सेट स्टार्ट करथिलु सेट ऑपरेशन पर्यंत जाइथिलु फर्दर आम सेठी स्टार्ट करिया फ्रॉम दैट विल स्टार्ट लास्ट क्लास रे आम पढ़थिलु यूनियन इंटरसेक्शन डिफरेंस एंड कॉम्प्लीमेंटेशन पढ़थिलु एमानकर कोन कोन प्रॉपर्टीज हेई पारे एमान को नहीं कि हमें कौन कौन करि परिबा डिफरेंट डिफरेंट क्वेश्चंस कि हम सॉल्व करिबा विल डिस्कस अबाउट इट सो यूनियन मीन्स एसोसिएटिंग एलिमेंट्स ऑफ टू सेट जणे जदी मूर्ख भाव रे कलेक्शन करिवो कोन करिवो ना ए बी सी सी डी जणे जदी मूर्ख होई थांता से कोन करथांता ना ए बी सी सी डी स्टार्टिंग रे कहितली गुटे एलिमेंट 10 थर लेखाले भी ताको थरे आमे बिहेव करी सो एते थर न लेखि कि आमे लेखिबु ए यूनियन बी इक्वल टू ए बी सी दी थर सी लेखिबा जहा थरे सी लेखिबा क्या गुटे एलिमेंट को 50 थर लेखिबा जहा थरे लेखिबा से सो we will learn about some properties of operations of set set operation मान कर किसी प्रॉपर्टीज विषय में डिस्कस फर्स्ट प्रॉपर्टी of operation commutative property जोटा को तुम मैंने उड़िया कह क्रम विनिमय ए यूनियन बी इक्वल टू बी यूनियन union is commutative a intersection b equal to b intersection a so intersection is also commutative a difference b is not equal to b difference that means a set ru b set को रिजेक्ट कले only a मिलिबो this is only a and this is only b so only a and only b are not same so a difference b is not equal to b difference that means difference is not commutative second is associative property A union B union equal to A union B union that means first हमें A B union कर शेयर किए C से तो परिवार जहाँ A union B union C मुझे exactly same so this is associative property and A intersection B intersection C equal to A intersection B intersection C. So intersection is also associative. Number C. Distributive property. Union B intersection C equal to A union B intersection A union A intersection B union C to A intersection B union A intersection C that means union is distributive over intersection and intersection is distributive over union that means union is distributive on intersection, and intersection is distributive on union. This is the distributive property. Number D. A union phi equal to phi union A, that is A union phi equal to phi union A, that is S. That means A has some elements and phi means null set has no elements. So it will not participate in association. So only A elements will be remaining. Number E, A intersection phi equal to phi intersection A equal to phi. A, suppose A has some elements and phi is null set has no elements. So intersection means common elements. What are the common elements of A set and phi set? There is no common element. So that is phi. A difference phi equal to A. So phi means there is no element. So no element is going to be rejected. So कौन से element reject होने chance नहीं. So A difference phi equal to A. But phi difference A is phi. Phi set has no element. If we reject elements of A from that, still phi has no element. So remaining element will be nothing. So phi difference A equal to phi. Phi set complement is how much? Universal set. And universal set complement is phi. Complement of universal set is phi, and the complement of phi is universal. Number 2. These are basic properties of or level 1 properties of operation. Number 2. Let A set equal to A, B, B set equal to C. What is your A union B? A, B. What is A intersection B? Only C. From this we will start some conclusion. First conclusion. A intersection A union B is how much? A that has three elements A, B, C. A union B has elements A, B, C, D. So what are the common elements here? A, B. A set and A union B has common elements A, B, C. You can see that. The common element A, B, C, A, B, C common, so that is A, B, C. So A intersection A union B, that is A set. B intersection A union B is how much? B set and A union B. What are the common elements? It is CDHE, it is the common element CD. So that is B set. So what are the common elements? B set and A union B. Common elements are CD. That is B. So first conclusion is A intersection A union B equal to A. B intersection A union B equal to B. Second conclusion. A union B is how much? Union means associate them. So what is association? Now A, B, C, D, that is equal to A union B. B set union A union B. How much? This is B set C D and this is A B C D. If we union or associate them, we will get finally A B C D. That is also A union B. So first conclusion is A intersection A union B equal to A. B intersection A union B also B. A union A union B, A union B, B union A union B, that is A union B. Number C. A union A intersection B. A union A intersection B. A has A, B, C. A intersection B has C element. So if we associate them, we will finally get how much? Yes, ABC. A intersection B is C and A is ABC. ABC A और C associate के लिए कौन मिलेगा? ABC. That is A set. B set union A intersection B. How much? B set CD and intersection C associate के लिए कौन मिलेगा? Only CD. That is B. So A union A intersection B, that is A. B union A intersection B is B. A has ABC, A intersection B has C. So what is the common element? C. That is A intersection B. B intersection A intersection B. How much? B set has C and D elements. A intersection B has C elements. What are the common elements here? Again C. That is A intersection B. So these are 4 conclusions from this example. And these conclusions are very, very important. These conclusions are very, 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 very important. So my question arises here. First thing, if A is a subset of B, if A is subset of B, let A set equal to AB, B set equal to AB, or by Venn diagram we can say that this is B set and A is lying within that. So A is a subset of. So what is A union B? What is A union B? That is ABC, that is B set. And what is A intersection B? What is common elements here? A, that is A set. Next, fourth conclusion. A union A complement of what? This is universal set. How? And this is your universal set. This is A and remaining part is A complement. So union of A and A complement, that is universal set. A intersection A complement, that is null set. There is no common element between A and A complement. So these are some conclusions basing upon properties or operations of sets. What is it? This is set A and set B. Venn diagram shows there is some common element, and here Venn diagram shows there are no common elements. So these are called as joint sets. What is joint set? Now, if A intersection B is not equal to phi, these are called as disjoint sets. Here A intersection B equal to phi. Joint sets, if there is some common element, that means that is not phi. Disjoint means there is no common elements, so these are separate sets, right? Next, union set. What is union set? A1 union A2 union A3 up to union AN. So all sets are having operated by union. So I can write it, this is the union set of AI, and I starts from 1, finishes at n. I equal to 1 to n. So I the minimum value is 1, maximum value is n. So I starts from 1 to n, that is called as union set AI. Common set. Common set or intersection set, that is A1 intersection A2 intersection up to intersection of AN. We can write it intersection of AI, I equal to 1 to n. Using these concepts, let's solve a problem. If B set equal to union set AI, I equal to 1 to 50. There are exactly 6 elements present in all AI, and each element of B is present in exactly 9 AI sets, then B cardinality is found. First question of meaning बुझिबा. B equal to union set AI, that means B set equal to A1 union A2 up to union A15. This is union of a 15 A set. First thing clear. There are exactly 6 elements present in all AI. That means A1 cardinality is 6, A2 cardinality also 6, like that. So each element, each set, A set have 6 elements. जड़े जदि मूर्ख भाव रे कैलकुलेट करे, एसोसिएशन मूर्ख भाव रे करे. गोटे एग्जांपल, ए सेट रो अछि ए बी सी, बी सेट रो अछि सी बी, जने मूर्ख कहले यूनियन मीन्स एसोसिएशन से कौन करिवो ए बी सी डी किसी बुझुल लिख चलो जस्ट एसोसिएटिंग दे अच्छा तो जने जदि एसोसिएट करबो से केते एलिमेंट लिखि जीवो केतरा सेट अछि 15 टा सेट अछि प्रत्येक एलिमेंट प्रत्येक सेट रे 6 टा एलिमेंट अछि तो से अंध भाव जदि लिखि चलिला केतरा एलिमेंट लिखि जीवो 15 टा सेट मीन्स 15 into 6 90 एलिमेंट्स लिखि जीवो किंतु कहिछि each element of B set ର प्रत्येक एलिमेंट is present in exactly 9 A set B ର प्रत्येक एलिमेंट केतटा A set ର अछंती 9 टा A set ର अछंती जेमति एटी C A set रे भी अछि B set रे भी अछि सेही भलिया एमति गुटे एलिमेंट प्रत्येक एलिमेंट केतटा सेट रे प्रेजेंट अछंती ना 9 टा A set रे प्रेजेंट अछि दैट्स व्हाई प्रत्येक एलिमेंट केते थर रिपीट हेची एठी जेमति सी एठी थिला सी रिपीट हे गेला केते थर 2 थर सेही भलिया प्रत्येक एलिमेंट केते थर रिपीट हेथिबो 9 थर लेखा रिपीट हेची तो प्रत्येक एलिमेंट 9 थर रिपीट होला परे हला आंसर टोटल होची 15 into 6 90 तले बी रे प्रकृतर एलिमेंट केते आसीबो ना 90 by 9 equal to 10 प्रत्येक एलिमेंट 9 थर लेखा रिपीट हेची टोटल अछि 90 एलिमेंट प्रत्येक एलिमेंट 9 थर रिपीट तेणु बी रो प्रकृतर केते एलिमेंट अछि वेरी सिंपल अनदर एग्जांपल तर गोटे पैरेलल क्वेश्चन गोटे दबा इफ बी इक्वल टू यूनियन सेट ai I equal to 1 to 15 ai cardinality equal to 6 for all I a j intersection a k equal to 5 where j not equal to k then b cardinality is how much एटी सब लैंग्वेज लिखी थी एक क्वेश्चन को सिंबॉलिक फॉर्मेट लिखी फर्स्ट एक क्वेश्चन मीनिंग बुझ एठी कौन अच्छी अगेन बी सेट होची a1 यूनियन a2 अप टू a6 15 टा a सेट रे यूनियन प्रत्येक a सेट रे केते एलिमेंट अछि एटा होची एटा कहा सिंबल ए सिंबल होची फॉर ऑल प्रत्येक i पई a i रो कार्डिनलिटी 6 तमाने एठी जहा लिखतला से दैट देयर आर एग्जैक्टली 6 एलिमेंट्स प्रेजेंट इन ऑल i मीनिंग से प्रत्येक ए सेट रे केतरा लेखा एलिमेंट अछि टोटल लेखा एठी कहिथिला ईच एलिमेंट ऑफ बी इज प्रेजेंट इन एग्जैक्टली 9 एसेस ए कथाटा सेठी कहिला आ सब कथा कहि तले एठी कहिछि कोन ए कथाटा एक एक्स्ट्रा कहिछि ए जे इंटरसेक्शन ए के इक्वल टू 5 वेयर जे इज नॉट इक्वल टू माने जे के समान नुहे ता माने a1 इंटरसेक्शन a2 5 हितिबो a1 इंटरसेक्शन a3 5 हितो सेमि चलतिबो ना नहीं अर्थात कौन सी सेट सहित ए सेट रो प्रत्येक सेट प्रत्येक रो कहारी एलिमेंट सेम आसीबो ना ये 15 टा सेट रो कहारी कहा सहित कॉमन एलिमेंट किसी आसीबो ना देयर इज नो कॉमन एलिमेंट ए जे इंटरसेक्शन ए के इक्वल टू 5 माने होची वेयर जे नॉट इक्वल टू के मींस 1 1 हिपर 1 2 1 3 1 4 1 5 1 15 पर्यंत अपने कौन सी ए सेट रो कॉमन एलिमेंट नाही कॉमन एलिमेंट नाही माने कौन सी एलिमेंट को हम रिपीट करके लिखिलु कि केबे ने एठी रिपीट हो नै एठी कहिथिले प्रत्येक एलिमेंट 9 थर रिपीट हबो एठी जेहेतु कहार भी कॉमन एलिमेंट नाही माने आउ के रिपीट हबार चांस नै तले ए केस रे बी रो कार्डिनलिटी केते हबो ना केतरा सेट अछि 15 टा सेट अछि प्रत्येक रे 6 टा एलिमेंट 90 एलिमेंट वेरी सिंपल क्वेश्चन तो सर इंपोर्टेंट पॉइंट थला एटा ए जे इंटरसेक्शन ए के इक्वल टू 5 वेयर जे नॉट इक्वल टू के माने ए जो 15 टा सेट अछि तांकर कहार कहा से तो कॉमन एलिमेंट नाही त माने एवरी एलिमेंट डिफरेंट जदल मु यूनियन करबी सिंपली सबडा को लिखि दिबी विदाउट एनी रिप्लेसमेंट रिपीट विदाउट एनी रिपीटिशन देन केही रिपीट होन माने बी रे केते एलिमेंट अछि 90 एलिमेंट अछि एठी रिपीट होतला गुटे एलिमेंट 9 टा सेट अछि माने प्रत्येक एलिमेंट 9 थर रिपीट होतला एठी आदु रिपीट होना तेणु यूनियन सेट कॉमन सेट विषय रे गोटे बेसिक आइडिया हला नेक्स्ट कांसेप्ट को हम जीवा इंक्लूजन एक्सक्लूजन inclusion exclusion what is this first formula hela a union b cardinality equal to a cardinality plus b cardinality minus a intersection b याको प्रमाण करिबा तो फॉर्मूला कोड आसिला let this is a set and this is b set this total is a union b याको मु दीटा पार्ट करिबी फर्स्ट थिंग गोटे पार्ट को मु डार्केन कली गोटे पार्ट को ब्लैंक कर मतलब गोटे हॉरिजॉन्टल लाइन मिली आ गोटे वर्टिकल लाइन अच्छा जेमते हो टोटल एरिया को ब्लैक करिवार थिला दिस इज योर ए यूनियन बी सो LHS equal to A union B cardinal A union B separated into two parts किसी common element नहीं किए horizontal part and vertical part what is horizontal part na A difference B this is only A that is A difference B union B since they have no common elements so we have a freedom one likhi paribi that this is A difference B cardinality plus B cardinality and what is your A difference B actually A ru ko part reject hele A difference B milibo this is A reject A intersection so that is A cardinality minus A intersection B cardinality plus B cardinality so this is A cardinality plus B cardinality minus A intersection B cardinality that is your RHS तो याको ना कहीं देछि इंक्लूजन एक्सक्लूजन इंक्लूजन माने इंक्लूड करिबा प्लस करिबा एक्सक्लूजन माने सब्ट्रैक्ट करिबा माइनस करिबा तो ये फार्मूलाटा प्लस अछि तापर माइनस अछि बोली ता ना दियाछि इंक्लूजन एक्सक्लूजन सिंगल सेट मानकर कार्डिनलिटी प्लस हैछि डबल सेट कार्डिनलिटी माइनस हैछि इंटरसेक्शन ले तण याको ना देला इंक्लूजन एक्सक्लूजन प्रिंसिपल and its higher level formula is number 2 A union B union C cardinality this is equal to A cardinality plus B cardinality plus C cardinality minus A intersection B cardinality minus B intersection C cardinality minus C intersection A cardinality plus A intersection B intersection C cardinality एठी कौन सी फार्मूला रे सिंगल सेट कार्डिनलिटी प्लस डबल सेट कार्डिनलिटी माइनस ट्रिपल सेट बेलू प्लस तो प्लस माइनस प्लस चार्ट था प्लस सिंगल सेट प्लस डबल सेट माइनस ट्रिपल सेट प्लस था एंड फोर सेट इंटरसेक्शन माइनस था तो जेहेतु प्लस माइनस अल्टरनेटिव रोची से ना दिया इंक्लूजन एक्सक्लूजन larger this is a larger version of inclusion exclusion we'll do some problems now in your school 100 students read English newspaper. 150 students read Odia newspaper. If 50 read both and 60 read no newspaper, find strength of the school. तेरे गोटे स्कूल रे 100 जन इंग्लिश न्यूज पेपर पढ़ुचंती, 150 जन ओडिया पेपर पढ़ुचंती, 50 जन बोथ ओडिया एंड इंग्लिश बोथ न्यूज पेपर पढ़ुचंती एंड 60 रेड नॉन न्यूज पेपर। 60 जन कौन प्रकार न्यूज पेपर नॉन न्यूज पेपर मीन्स कौन सी प्रकार न्यूज पेपर पढ़ु नाहंती। सो फाइंड स्ट्रेंथ ऑफ द स्कूल, दैट मीन्स व्हाट इज द टोटल नंबर ऑफ स्टूडेंट्स इन योर स्कूल। केमती करबा? अच्छा, लेट A set equal to students who read English newspaper. B equal to students who read Indian newspaper. So according to question, A cardinality केते देसी 100 इंग्लिश पढ़ुଛନ୍ତି 100 जन। बी कार्डिनालिटी केते अछि ना 150। ए इंटरसेक्शन बी कार्डिनालिटी केते अछि ना 50। एटा 4। तले ए यूनियन बी रो कार्डिनालिटी केते हेबो? ए कार्डिनालिटी प्लस बी कार्डिनालिटी माइनस ए इंटरसेक्शन बी कार्डिनालिटी, दैट इज 100 plus 150 minus, that is 200. What is A union B? English or Odia? So this is equal to student reading newspaper. ताले केते जन स्टूडेंट न्यूज़पेपर पढुचंती, that is A union B, either Odia or English, that is A union B kernel. Inclusion exclusion principle apply कलु, A union B kernel A kernel plus B kernel minus A intersection B kernel, that is 200. So what is the strength? Reading plus non-reading. How many students reading newspaper? 200. How many students are non-readers? 60. So strength is 2. This is one way of solving this question. But there is another way which is very simple. आमे सब बेले ए प्रोसेस रे करिक सब क्वेश्चन आंसर करि परिबा नाही। So another way. What is another way? In this case, here school is universal set. Rectangle means universal set. Here school is your universal set. Some students read English newspaper and some read Odia newspaper. Now this is O set, this is B set. enter your data from last. This zone is reading zone, English zone, Odia zone, that is reading zone, and remaining are non-reading zone. So how many students are non-readers? 60. তাহলে পঢ়ো নথিবা পিলা রইলে বাহারে 60. নেক্সট ডাটা টিকে উপরକୁ ଯିବା 50 read both. তাহলে both English and Odia ର 50 মানে this part is both zone. The students who read both English and Odia. Next ऊपर गले 150 students Odia total 150. This is part also Odia. So this is 50 means 100. So total Odia is 150. So only Odia paper पढ़ुଥିବା students के देले 100. English पढ़ुଛନ୍ତି total 100 जण. English रो एई पटे 50 माने एई पटे भी 50. तो English total 100. So students reading only English newspaper 50, students reading only Odia paper is 100. So these are separate from each other. So here strength equal to 50 plus 50 plus 100 plus 60. That is 260. Next question. In your school, 50 students play football. 40 students play hockey. 60 students play cricket. 10 students play football and hockey. 10 students play cricket and hockey. 15 students play football and cricket. If 5 play all games and 20 play no game, what is strength of the school? Second, how many students play exactly one game? How many students play exactly 2 games? How many play neither football nor cricket? Very complicated question, बहुत किसी information अच्छी. There are 3 sets. One is football, one is hockey, one is cricket. So don't follow any formula. Follow Venn diagram. Venn diagram is the only way to solve these type of complicated questions, word problem, only Venn diagram. Last question जेमती कहितलो Venn diagram start करिबा. What is universal set here? The school is universal set. So there are three types of games: football, hockey, and cricket. Football, hockey, and cricket. This is football, this is hockey, and cricket. As per last question, data should be entered from last. What is the last data? 20 play no games. This is the playing zone. So remaining are non-playing zone. So how many play no games? 20 play no games. This is no game zone. 20 students play no games. Next, 5 play all games. What is all game zone? This one is intersection of all. So 5 play all games. Next, 15 students play football and cricket. Football and cricket. This is common part of a football, cricket. That is total 15. So this is 5 means this one is 10. I am isolating each and every one. मु काहाको काहा सहित कंबाइन करके रखुनी, काहाको जॉइंट करनी, समस्त मु सेपरेट करूची. से कहला फुटबॉल एंड क्रिकेट स्टूडेंट्स 15. So common of football and cricket is this much. This is 15 means this part was 5. So this part is 10. Total 15. Isolate. 10 students play cricket and hockey. So common of cricket and hockey 10. This part is total 10. So this one is 5. So total common part of cricket and hockey is 10. Then 10 students play football and hockey. So football, hockey common 10. This part is 10. This one is 5. So this one is also 5. Next, 60 students play cricket. This is total cricket zone. Cricket total 60 students. So 10 plus 5, 15 plus 5, 20. So only cricket is 40. So total is 60 here. 40 plus 1, 50 plus 5, 55, 60. So only cricket 40. Next, 40 play hockey. Total hockey is 40. 5 plus 5 plus 5, 15. So this is 25. So total hockey is 40. 50 play football. Total football is 50. 5 plus 5, 10 plus 10, 20. So this one is 30. So total 50 students play football. So every data is clear and all are different from each other. So what is first bid answer? What is strength of the school? Just add each and every data here. Strength equal to simply 30 plus 5 plus 25 plus 10 plus 5 plus 5, 30 plus 5 plus 25, then 10 plus 5 plus 5 plus 40 plus 20. What is total? 10, 20, 2, 5, 7, 140. So total number of students is 140. 35, 25, 60, 70, 80, 80, 40, 120, 140. How many students play exactly one game? What is only football? Only football is 30. Only hockey 25 and only cricket 40. Exactly one game. This is only football, one game, only hockey and only cricket. So this is how much? 95. How many students play exactly 2 games? Exactly 2 games zone is this one and this one. These students play exactly 2 games football and hockey. These students play exactly 2 games football and cricket. These students play exactly 2 games hockey and cricket. So how many students play exactly 2 games? 5 plus 10 plus 5. That is 4. How many play neither football nor cricket? Neither football means court football totally, nor cricket, court cricket totally. So what is the students here remaining here? 25 and 20. That is 45. It is neither football nor cricket. So the students which are neither in football, so court total football and total cricket. What are the remaining? This is 25 and 20. That is 45. So whatever may be the complications in a question, just to be complicated questions through word problems, don't apply any formula. Don't apply inclusion exclusion formula. Inclusion exclusion formula is useful to a certain little extent, but not for all complicated questions. So Venn diagram is the only method to solve these types of questions. Thank you.